Alright, welcome to Lab 12. Today we will configure local user file sharing. Fine, I'm gonna log into PC1. Training. We will create a user account. Control panel. Oh, this is my control panel. Look for user account. Make change called PC. Family of the user. Add someone else to the PC. Test password 23. We can change the account type if we want to by doing this, we want to, okay. Now we create a folder. To share. We'll open the folder, we'll create text document in this. Share later. This is share data. Okay, save. Now we're going to share the folder. Right click, share with specific people. Unify test. Add test. We will define what permission we read it as a read. Test can only read it file. Share. See the file. Done. Now we're gonna swap to test account. Now we'll set into test. 3. I'm gonna pause it for a second while it loading the system for the first time. Alright, we are now test. Open File Explorer, Network, PC1, ECD5 user, click user, student, desktop, test share data. Okay, now we will author it by save. Save to the same file. Yes. Now we'll go back to student. It said accept deny. Yeah, because I only have read permission, not write permission. I glove it. Yeah, I don't have permission. That's the reason why. Save. Let's go fix that. Go back to student. Back student. Share it. Go to stop sharing. You're gonna delete the file. Recycle bin. Delete completely. Delete. From control panel. User account. Change system. Family auto user. Now remove. Remove. I gotta sign out of the account. Sign out. Remove account. Delete account. So that's it. That's how you share with not you, the user. It also depends on what kind of permission you give them.